Okay. Hi, everybody. My name is Carla Pico. I am a software engineer. Also have my bachelor's in marketing and worked as a social media specialist in my previous jobs, also in IT staffing, so I've been on kind of both ends of the spectrum. I created an app called Bidit, which is a social platform for local businesses and their community to connect for all their project needs. So to tell you a little bit about the problem that kind of surfaced, I myself became a first-time homebuyer this year. Super excited about it, honestly. Was like over the moon, and then you get into your apartment and realize, oh my God, I have no idea what I'm doing. I needed to do renovations, and I had no place where to start except for Google. So I would search there, and a lot of times what I would see is I would find companies that were very highly targeted or highly marketed, but not necessarily the people who I can help support in my local community. So I'm huge on supporting my local community, so I was facing a lack of upfront pricing where I couldn't really find online how much things were costing, and because of high expensive cost when it comes to advertising, a lot of these companies weren't able to relay that information to me quickly. And obviously these businesses have limited time when it comes to actually going to give quotes and going to kind of give you a phone call to give you a little bit more details in regards to their services. So I thought a best place to do that would be creating a platform where you can have transparent pricing and knowledge regarding these services that these businesses can provide, ability to bid on more projects for these businesses where they can see the immediate need of the community and go ahead and bid on that directly there, and connecting with the community so that they're able to relay their information in a quicker format. So just to kind of give you an idea of what the mock-up was, I designed this on Figma and went later to execute this using pure CSS. So let me show you a quick demo. So here we have the website, which is loading up a couple of the different projects of different users right now. But let's say I have a specific project in mind. So I have here, I'll put my name, and then I'll say I'm in Palm Beach County, and I'm seeking an electrician. Now I've already purchased what I want installed, so I only really need installation, but I have 2 fans and 4 lights. And I have around like $500 to spend on this, so I can put that there, and I want this done by the weekend. So I go ahead and post that there. And then you can see right down below in the feed, I see my project there, and I'm able to go ahead as a business, bid on it. So let's say I am Bob the electrician now. I have like split personalities, I'm a Gemini, right? And then I have my timeline. I can do it within that weekend, so that's fine. And let's say I'm able to do it at 400 just so that I can kind of beat out a couple of my competition. And then project details, I'm able to install only the fans, let's say. Or you know what, I'll install everything. And the lights. So then I'm able to go ahead and bid on there. So for my tech stack, I used Firestore for my database. For my API, I used Node and Express. And for my front end, I used React as my single page application, and all of this was deployed using Firebase hosting. For the future of Bidit, what I would like to do is have the ability for the user to log in and share and save so that you still use that word of mouth marketing that most people are very accustomed to. And you're able to also message with the company and kind of request a couple more details. Maybe the business doesn't really have a good idea as to what you entailed. Maybe your description of the project wasn't enough. They can go ahead and ask more questions there. And also add where you can add media, such as videos and photos, so that the business has a better idea as to what the project would entail. Thank you so much. You can go ahead and use this QR code to have all the links for my LinkedIn, and etc. you.